Good morning. Today I thought I would do a little bit of a morning routine video because I know how much you guys love morning routines. Honestly, my morning routine isn't very exciting. It's pretty simple and easy. I try to keep it that way because I find it just, I don't know, less stressful to start the day with a simple morning routine. I always have a coffee. In this case, it's quite a giant coffee. I do get a lot of questions about this mug in particular. It's from Big W, but I did purchase it maybe like a year ago, so I'm not sure if you can get it anymore. I'm just gonna pop my coffee down for a second because today's video is sponsored by Lily Silk. Lily Silk has a variety of different silk products, from pajama sets like this one to pillowcases and bedding to hair ties and scrunchies and clothes as well. So I'll leave a link to the few pieces that I have, but I have this adorable pajama set and I actually am thinking about getting it in the long sleeve and like the pants version, but it is so soft and comfortable. I'm obsessed with these little giant buttons down the front. They've got pockets, a little like drawstring on the shorts, and then this beautiful white piping as well, and they are just so comfortable. I also have a silk scrunchie in my hair as well. For the last, I want to say maybe 3 or 4 months, I have been wearing basically nothing except scrunchies because they're just so much better for your hair. I also have the silk pillowcases. They have a range of beauty and hair care benefits. Silk is very breathable and it's also quite absorptive, so it's fantastic for sleeping. Now that I've been using silk pillowcases as well for the last few months, I really don't like using regular pillowcases, but I will have a link to these pajamas and the few other pieces that I have in the description down below. I'm going to grab my coffee and get comfy on the couch because that's usually what I do straight up, so let's do that. I personally like to start my mornings just chilling out here on the couch, so I'm gonna pop my coffee down on the table. First thing in the morning is when I usually post to Instagram. So I post sometime usually between 6 a.m. and 9 a.m. I don't have anything to post today, so I'm not going to post today. But on the days that I do have to post, this is usually when I do it. I think I've showed that before in a vlog. But yeah, if you're wondering why I'm on my phone so early, it's just because due to like timing and stuff, it's the best time to post, and that's why I'm usually on my phone first thing in the morning, even though I probably shouldn't be. But you know, it's just what happens. Also in the mornings, I like to get in and do a little bit of planning for the day while I drink my coffee. So this is my daily planner from the inventory. I'll have it listed in the description, but basically I have a section up here where I pick out 3 of the most important things to do for the day, and then I have a to-do list underneath that, a little section for notes and doodles, then things I can move to the next day. You get to put the date and circle the day up here. There's a little water tracker, little home section to, you know, write down a few things like wash the dishes and take out the rubbish and all that sort of stuff. Me time, health, and then a little bit of a gratitude exercise as well. So I'm going to start filling this out while I finish off the last of my coffee. When I've finished my coffee, I can go and pop this in the kitchen and get on with the rest of my morning. I cleaned out my cupboard yesterday, so I have a lot of containers I need to wash up today. At some point during the morning, I make my bed. Sometimes I make it after I shower, sometimes I make it before I shower. Just depends on how I'm feeling. These 2 pillowcases here in the middle, the gray or silver ones, these are from Lily Silk, and they are my silk pillowcases. Honestly, I'm obsessed. I started using silk pillowcases towards the end of last year, and I can't sleep on normal pillowcases anymore because it makes my hair feel so like dry and just gross in the morning. So I like to sleep on silk pillowcases because I'm trying to do the best for my hair as possible so that it will grow. And I thought the gray would look really good and tie in nicely to the gray in this little part of my bed. Next, it is shower time, so I can start getting ready for the day. For my daily skincare, these are the few products that I use. I use mostly Hylamide in The Ordinary because one, it's super affordable, and two, it's amazing. I've been using it, you know, since I was living in Canada because it's a Canadian brand. So at nighttime, I use this one and then this Ordinary moisturizer, and then in the daytime, I use these two. I use the blue one first because it's for sensitive skin and calms down redness, and then I use this pink one afterwards because this is for hydrating, and then I also have some of these rose quartz roller tools and things, but I use those not every day, and sometimes at nighttime, sometimes in the morning, just however I'm feeling. So this one is the first one. My moisturizer is like blocked at the moment. I don't know what's wrong with the lid, but like the lid is blocked, so I always just take it off and get the product straight from the actual tube. This moisturizer is amazing. It feels so good. Also, after I have a shower and while I'm getting ready, I just kind of chuck on something easy. So I'm just wearing a t-shirt and some gym leggings at the moment. I feel like t-shirts and gym leggings are like my default go-to when I just need to wear something. Next up, it is time to do my makeup. This is basically all of my makeup. It's a bit different to the hordes of makeup that I used to have all those years ago when I used to do makeup tutorials, but I have this palette in here from Violet Floss that's absolutely stunning. I really like this palette, but I've definitely used it. And I keep my brushes, foundations, and everything in here as well. So I'm gonna get on and do my makeup. I also like to do it out here in my big mirror because it's just the easiest place to do it. Done with my makeup. I didn't actually wash my hair, and I'm starting to think I probably should have today because it's a bit dirty, and I'm also not going to show breakfast in this video because I'm going to go out for brunch. So that's a thing. I've lost my train of thought already. Where am I going with this? I feel like I have three different things to like do right now. So I'm not going out, so I'm not having breakfast. I'm not having breakfast at home. I'm going out for brunch, which means I need to get ready. And usually when I don't wash my hair and I need something to do with my hair, I just put it in a low bun. Also, sometimes I brush my teeth before I do my makeup. Sometimes I brush my teeth after. So I'm gonna go brush my teeth and then I can come back and do my lipstick and my hair. This is my silk scrunchie from Lily Silk. I went with black because I just thought it would go with everything. And I think I mentioned before, like I've been using silk scrunchies since last year because it's just so much better for your hair health. And I'm just trying to grow my hair, which is why it's also brown now and not blonde anymore. So I'm gonna go and get my hairbrush. My hair is really dirty. I should have washed it. Can you see my gray hair up in here too? I've like been going to the hairdressers less as well, which I think is helping with my hair growth because I'm not bleaching it every 6 weeks. I'm just going and getting it dyed like every 3 months-ish, but it also means that like my gray hairs are showing just a little bit more because I've got dark hair. But this is my go-to hairstyle. I just do this low little bun thing with the scrunchie because I just feel like less heat on my hair when I do this, and it's easy. So that's done. Let's go get dressed. Okay, it's time to pick out something to wear. I think I want to go jeans, and I have a feeling the black jeans, like my favorite Everlane black jeans, are actually hanging up drying. Yep, they're not in here, which is a bummer because I wanted to wear black jeans, but I just don't want to wear these ones because they're just yuck now. I think I'm just gonna go white jeans. White jeans will do. I've made a decision on an outfit. I'm gonna go white jeans and also this really bright burnt orange colored silk button-up shirt from Lily Silk as well. Again, I'll have it listed in the description. It's really bright, but I actually really love anything that's orange toned, and I feel like this is just the perfect summer to fall autumn transition because it is autumn here in Australia at the moment. So I think this is just like a nice sort of summer to cooler weather outfit. So I'm gonna pop this on. For shoes, I'm gonna go espadrilles. For accessories, I'm gonna go black bag and these sunglasses here as well. That's basically my morning routine. I am all ready to head out for brunch now. So I just, you know, super simple, threw my hair back, a little bit of makeup. I've got my silk shirt from Lily Silk. It does come in a range of different colors. I'll have that all listed in the description. And I also have some white jeans, black accessories, and then my espadrille shoes as well. Super comfy, super simple, and I'm about to head out and go and have some brunch with my friend. And this is my morning routine. I hope you guys have enjoyed. Up the top, you can check out my last video. Down the bottom, I will leave a link to another one of my videos, and I will see you in the next one.